Sarvebhyo Namo Namaha. Welcome to Dashavatara series by Isha Predictions, Buddha Avatara of Lord Vishnu. Siddhartha Gautama, later known as Gautama Buddha, was born around 563 BCE in Lumbini, present-day Nepal, as the son of King Suddhodana and Queen Maya. Siddhartha lived a sheltered life in luxury, shielded from the realities of suffering and old age by his father. Siddhartha encountered the realities of human suffering when he ventured out of the palace and witnessed old age, sickness, and death, prompting him to seek answers to the nature of existence. Siddhartha renounced his princely life, leaving behind his family and kingdom, and embarked on a spiritual quest to find the truth of life and suffering. Siddhartha underwent rigorous ascetic practices for several years, seeking enlightenment through extreme self-mortification. Siddhartha eventually abandoned extreme austerity and meditated under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. There, he attained enlightenment, the nirvana, and became the Buddha, the awakened one. Buddha began sharing his teachings to help others understand the causes of suffering and attain liberation, that is moksha from the cycle of birth and death called samsara. Buddha expounded the Four Noble Truths. First one, life is suffering called dukkha. Second one, the cause of dukkha is desire called tanha. Third one, cessation of suffering is possible, that is nirvana. Fourth one, the Noble Eightfold Path leads to the cessation of suffering. Buddha's teachings spread across ancient India and later to many parts of Asia, evolving into various schools and traditions of Buddhism. Later, Buddha emphasized compassion, karuna and non-violence, ahimsa towards all beings, advocating for ethical conduct and mindfulness. Buddha passed away at the age of 80 in Kushinagar, attaining parinirvana, marking the end of his earthly existence. Buddha's teachings continue to inspire millions worldwide, promoting inner peace, mindfulness, and spiritual awakening. While Buddha's teachings and legacy are revered in Buddhism, in Hinduism, Buddha is often respected as a great sage and teacher but is not considered an avatar of Vishnu in mainstream Hindu theology.